Sheree, this afternoon, Hamilton County Common Pleas Judge Christian Jenkins listened closely to arguments made by both sides in this case. Plaintiffs, including Planned Parenthood of Greater Ohio and the ACLU, say the Buckeye State's new law known as Senate Bill 23, which effectively bans abortions after 6 weeks, is rife with problems.
The record makes it abundantly clear that SB 23 is inflicting and will continue to inflict serious and irreparable harm on Ohioans absent injunctive relief.
Attorneys who are challenging SB 23 appeared before Hamilton County Common Pleas Judge Christian Jenkins via Zoom. They want Jenkins to issue a temporary restraining order by this time next week. That's when Indiana will implement its new, more restrictive abortion law. A similar law in Kentucky took effect last month. The multiple statutory moves have been happening in the wake of the U.S. Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe v. Wade, which had made abortion legal nationwide for the last 50 years.
Both as written and in practice, SB 23 clearly targets women, and it's also grounded in outdated stereotypes about women's roles as childbearers and mothers.
But Amanda Narog, representing Ohio leaders, including Attorney General Dave Yost, disputed that portrayal of SB 23 and said the new law reflects the will of state residents.
The General Assembly has worked diligently to restrict the abortion practice in the state of Ohio on behalf of Ohio citizens.
Narog argued the plaintiff's request to press pause and possibly more on SB 23 is off track.
On that basis, the Ohio Supreme Court has never held that there's a right to abortion in the Ohio Constitution, and no provision of the Ohio Constitution can be reasonably interpreted to contain a right to abortion.
Now, there was a good deal of back and forth today, giving the judge in this case a lot to think about. Not clear yet when he will issue a ruling, though it's likely going to come soon, given the many timing issues related to the current debate on abortion in our post-Roe v. Wade world. Todd Dykes, WLWT News 5.